I'm curious, how did the solar work out? So how does that work
So it's
out?
a 20 year and
Okay.
I pay roughly, I think my payment's like 130 a month. And I own the panels
Okay.
and so it's always a tricky thing with solar. It's like you have to make sure it makes sense. And for me, because I'm in such an expensive situation with my energy use there
Yeah.
between the three units, I guess. Also, I have an electric car, so I charge during the summer months. Like I said, it would get up to like $1,200 a month, which is so expensive. And now during the summer months, I don't even have an electric bill. During the off months, I think, maximum maybe $100 a month that I would pay. And I'm charging my car for free, so no gas, no none of that. And my electric bill is now basically just my solar cost, which is 130 a month. So it's pretty incredible.